So let me just quickly demonstrate. So let go of everything, okay? Everything, okay? So just rest. Even when I'm changing lanes, see, we have roadworks up there. So what I'm going to do, see, there's not too much of a pressure needed, you know, my elbow is still full relaxed. So I indicate right, checking my mirror. Look at how I check my blind spot. I watch the right, look at my face, Yeah. Blind spot briefly and follow up, check in the mirror, okay? I didn't firm up my elbows when I did that. So I've dropped it down to 40, switched off indicator. Even with little finger, you can control your vehicle. We call these micro adjustments, okay? So it's not too much that we do really. There's no need to have more strength to steer or to maintain proper trajectory, okay? We'll wait until we reach that sign. So we always drive at the, you know, whatever the new speed limit is between the signs. Okay, now I want you to take over, okay? Loosen up your elbows, okay? But don't drift. Oh, you're going in the new lane. Don't allow the car to go to the new lane. It's now 60. So how do we fix that? You push more. It's still 43. You need to push accelerator more. All right, now, just for practice, let's indicate left, but don't reduce your speed because there's nobody in front of you. Check your mirror. Does it seem good?
Yeah.
Look over your left shoulder briefly and follow up check. Gently get behind that bus. Switch off your indicator, but don't keep pulling left. It's the same technique as riding a bike, you know, push bike, you know, with the handlebar. The firmer you are, the, you know, more shaky your balance is, okay? Keep going straight. Be aware as well of your surroundings as much as possible at this stage, okay? Let's watch that edge of the curb there. Loosen up, okay? So you remind yourself to loosen up. Brake more pressure. Hands are unaffected. A little bit more pressure, but then less. Now a bit less pressure, bit less. Bring your mirror to the mirror of that car. That would be roughly a good estimate. Go further forward, bring your side mirror to align with that ambulance, the actual mirror with the mirror of that car.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, so
let's go, green light.
Okay.
Because, you know, that would be a good reference point because we saw that St. John ambulance driver was right on the line there and they have a little bit longer nose than our little car, yeah?